Mm. Bang, bang, bang. Let's get this. Oh, my mic is muted. There it is. All right. Thank you, Nick. Thank you, Nick. All right. I know I'm not supposed to play music on YouTube, but I gotta play music. I feel like I don't know, maybe copyright free music. Is that okay? Sure. SMT's reacting off of his data lows. These internal SMTs pretty much from around here. I do want to lean buying just because of the all-time high markets, and just selling is statistically less, so I'm probably not gonna try to do that. Um, what I would like to see here is maybe a good displacement above here on the 5 minute, something like this, and then we come down, have a nice little retrace here, and then we buy up at the bottom of this retrace. We do have a 3 minute. We did not inverse it. We have a 3 minute gap holding here. 4 minute gap now, just a 3 minute gap. I do like this displacement a lot right now. Honestly, yeah, I'm not gonna take this. Would be the aggressive buy right here, taking this and then just having this ride right here, which honestly I don't hate, but I'm gonna wait for this to displace a little bit more and then do it, and then look for the buys, because we actually, yes, equal lows. Might be one of those things where it's just equal lows and it doesn't draw towards them. Okay, so it's only on MES. A little weird. Gold looks like it's going to continue to displace higher this entire day. Jesus. What the hell? Look at this. Right. Man, that's like a. This is a aggressive selling Dow, so I'm not looking at this. I think I'm staying in NASDAQ and yes. Um, I do like this displacement we have going. I might fade this trade now just because of MES having these equal lows, but I don't know. We'll see how it goes. I'd like to see MES sweep that out, but then it kind of ruins the S&P. I'm just not going to use it equals lows as a target to. Yeah, I don't want to use the equal lows as a target to look for short, because I think I'm just going to bait myself trying to find these equal lows as a target. So I think I'm just going to hold. Um, yeah, I don't even really want to long any of this anymore. I wonder if it comes up. Yeah, kind of just where these IFGs are. We do have a small 30 minute here. Actually, let me look at hourly quick. I mean, it is such a buy model right now. Yeah, I'm not gonna worry about that 30 minute. I mean, we have SMTs within a fair value gap at the lows of it. That's super bullish. Equal lows is just kind of like gross, and I think it might just be a reason why I don't take the trade today. Crude short overnight. Yeah, definitely did. Oh, that would have been a good one to hold. What's up, Cobb? Mm, 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 mm. Not in this trade. Not in this trade. Just had it marked out for ideas, but I'm not in this trade. Mm, 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 mm. Actually, before I take a trade, anyways, I need to look at this puppy. Cool. Nothing too high impact today. Yeah, just a bunch of small things. That should be fine. Decent news. Decent news. Yeah, I don't want to run all of this liquidity. I want to take out these equal lows so you can buy up. It's snowing crazy right now. The longs are starting to look good. Nah, didn't really retrace as deep as I would want though. I mean, I might take a little scalp if he displays above this. I don't even want to risk that much, honestly, on this. See how we displace over this. Yeah, no, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. Feels a little too aggressive. Oh, cool. He's got a new account. I don't hate those longs at all, but it does seem a little aggressive. I will say that. Yeah, I kind of assume maybe we just S&T at these lows, right? I mean, highs right here. Send ES down, sweep out these equal lows, and then we see how it react from there. At the end of the day, we still have S&Ts, yeah. So we're still S&Ting actually from down here, from that data low. I do like how this swept that data wig. That, yeah, filled up the 1 hour. It's fine. Daily's just pumping, of course. Yeah, there's, yeah, a whole bunch of SMTs in here. Yeah. Just really hate these eco lows on ES. If that would be ideal, ES takes out the equal lows. We have an SMT right here or something. Then I'm gonna be looking for buys. Be kind of crazy if we get a 4 hour bearish close. We haven't seen that in a while. I don't think we will. I'm gonna wait till 10 to take a trade. Alright, this is playing out. I mean, if this pumps all the way up to all-time highs and we don't take out these equal lows, then that's just calling it a day for me. Yeah, like I like the longs. I did like the longs, but these equal lows on ES is just like I don't know. It's just like not a confluence I want to use. But I did like these longs. It was a great setup. It's just this one equal lows is just like chose to be a little bit more picky about it. I definitely could have fired a little bit less on it, but I don't know. I don't even think we see all-time highs just because of those equal lows. I think we revisit that low. And then full TV is 8 a.m. open. Forgot your 8 a.m. is actual 8 a.m. There's a top wick. Oh, 802. There's a top wick up there. Oh, not an NQ? No, there is. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe it might just reverse in this I don't know, we're in a 30-minute gap, are we not? No, we're not. Look at this strip. Nice, took 50%. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. I mean, I don't hate these logs. I just get these equal lows out of here. Just ruining my vibe. think we see a little reverse here for a little bit. ES is really struggling to displace higher. YM's got just going down. Gold slowly chugging away. Not really too interested in gold setup today. Natural gas. Dollar slowly chugging up, but we are in a huge downtrend on the dollar. Yeah, we can actually probably see dollar start to dump around here and then gold actually start pumping again. As I say that, of course. Okay. Okay. I just want to sweep that. It just retested the change in the state. Yeah. And the 50% of this move. Yeah. It's a bummer. Probably could have been a good entry. What I would like to see is probably price fully come down to here. To this fair value gap. Fully come down to this fair value gap and then have SMTs with the ES at these lows. That would be nice. Peter? God damn. I was waiting for take some longs here. I like the setup longs a lot, but ES has these equal lows. It's just kind of getting loud. ES has these equal lows right here, and that's kind of exactly where my stop loss would be near on NQ. So it's, I don't know, lower probability trade. I'm just waiting. I'm gonna wait till the 10 a.m. candle. I just want to turn off notifications on Discord, man. I just want to hop in and show love. Gotta go to work. Appreciate it, Peter. Hopefully this call is gonna have 100 people in it soon. What a goat. He knew I was lonely in here. Oh my god, ES just not take out these lows? I might. Yeah, I might just risk this. Risk like one MES. I'll do two. Oh, three's fine. Let's do it. Actually, yeah, that's fine. I'm fine with this. Risk a little bit less. risking less than the partials I made last night. It's just, I feel like if ES doesn't have equal lows, then maybe we'll just use that as saying that there's not equal lows. Price did respect this OTE perfectly. Nice. I'm gonna wait to see the retest of this change in the state right here on the 1 minute. We no longer have those SMTs. Yeah, let's do it. I'm fine with this risk. And I'm willing to take another trade after this one too if this doesn't play out. So completely fine with this. Break even points honestly should be like up here or SMTs at the all-time highs. But you know what? We have equal lows, but we also do have a pretty good shift in the market, and we are at all-time high markets, so we are going to be super bullish no matter what. I honestly wouldn't even mind kind of pushing this up a little bit past all-time highs, but I'm not going to be too greedy. Just take the profit where I can. Internal SMTs. A little bit, yeah. Okay. Gonna keep an eye on this. NASDAQ look like it's fell into this place again. ES, we want to see. I do like how we pushed above these highs, but we did just run this generated liquidity right here. New 4-hour candle opens in 2 minutes. Keep an eye on that. I don't see if we're bullish. I don't think we should sweep down here. We could just sweep this internal. Okay. Break even, I'm kind of going to just play by ear mostly, but I don't want to go break even too quick. But I do like this setup. Just the equal lows is pretty gross. Yeah, new 4-hour candle. See how this puppy runs. Good push. Yeah, Apple's been really bullish today, this morning. Hopefully that's going to carry NASDAQ a lot on this. Okay, cool. NASDAQ put in a nice little bottom wick, it looks like, on the 4 hour. I don't mind that. I don't like how much NASDAQ is consolidating right now. It kind of looks like it wants to explode in a direction. So I'm gonna keep an eye on that, but yeah, it's kind of generating liquidity at these lows. But again, we are at all-time high markets. There's gonna be more buyers than sellers for the most part. Um, this 4 hour, yeah, that's fine. This 4 hour, we're kind of actually, you know what? No, 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 don't do that. I'm gonna go break even when this hits 50% of this 4 hour wick right there. That's gonna be the new break even spot right here. That's fine. Kind of have this change in the state on the 15 minute. Fine with all this retesting here. NASDAQ looks like all buyers just left. No reason to close this trade quite yet, though. Letting this one run. No reason. Kind of acting a little funky, though, I will say. NASDAQ's continue to dump. Yes, finally got a little bit more of a push down. Don't want to see it go much lower than this low, obviously. But I'm fine with that kind of turtle souping. But we are consolidating now on NASDAQ. You're in this NQ short? I don't know, I see no setup there. Yeah, I see no setup for the NQ short. Oh, oh, you got in at this 1 minute. Yeah, I get what you're saying. Actually, it's not a bad idea. Might close out of this early. Not really rallying anymore, but I mean, oh Jesus Christ. Okay, what was that? Okay, well, this is kind of a place to buy at. ES didn't sweep through that even with that push. It's kind of weird. SMT's at these lows. See how this candle, if we wick this or keep pushing through. This is like the ultimate lowest. Okay, this is weird. Alright. This trade's cooks. We do still have these SMTs, which could be saving grace. Went in there, respected OTE perfectly. Swallow that candle right back up. I don't mind that. I'm gonna move stop loss if we get a change, if we get a push over this 1 minute. I'm gonna add in one con and then move in. Actually, I might add two cons. Move up the stop loss. If we get push over this. Yeah, let's do it. That's fine with me. Did I get any other ones? Yeah. See how this goes. If we just close above this right here. Oh, come on. Is it not gonna tap me in? Let's tap it in, dude. Let's do it. I'll be honest, erase up to here. Yeah, I'm looking to try to add in, honestly, on this change right there if we retest it. But this might be one of the la fuck you pumps, you know. Yeah. And Nasdaq honestly just looks like a buy, bro. Okay. Well, dang, that's why I hate trading these sometimes, but we'll cancel this order. It's fine. Didn't get the add in I wanted, but that's completely fine. Really did reduce risk. Actually, I could totally still find this. I mean, touch this fair value gap. I'm fine with that. Oh, come on, dude. Just let me. Whatever. Yeah. I think I missed the add in. Definitely did. Man, that sucks. That would have been a really good ad. Would have been a really, really good ad for sure. Nick, are you gonna try to catch these buys on Nasdaq? I mean, I don't see why not. This is kind of what this is kind of what I was waiting for was this push down into these rejection block. Yeah, right here, right into the 618. Okay. I don't think it goes lower than this. Yeah, whatever. Not worth that. Not worth that. Not with that. I'm gonna go break even at this high gain swaps. And Nasdaq's failing to displace again. Um, yeah. I don't like how Nasdaq's not really trying to buy up anymore. I leave equal highs up there. Do we take them on? Yeah, no, we hold this a little bit longer. See the swap is the triple equals. Nasdaq, buddy. What the fuck are you doing? Oh, wait a second. Dang, that would have been the add-in spot. I should have just had it at that fair value, yeah. But that's whatever. I don't like this not displacing, but we have these eagle highs. So this is weird. I might actually still add. We'll add right here at the top of that gap. It's fine with me. Yeah, I'm going break even the moment we touch that. It's fine. Just want to be together. It's fine. Nasdaq, buddy. Makes a lot of sense. It's kind of just chopping there. I'm about to hit break even. The moment we sweep this high, I'm going break even for sure. For sure, for sure. These eagle highs. I don't want to see this S&T down lower anymore because Nasdaq's failing to displace. We're not really being bullish on Nasdaq, and I don't want that to mess up my trade and get chopped out. So If we take out this high, that'd be pretty cool too. Nick, you short in my short in my buys. Daniel's gonna flip in three, two, one, flip, flip. Here's the flip of the candle. Nah, if candle did not flip. NASDAQ just destroying all my hopes and dreams. I mean, there's no way we leave these equal highs, right? Right. Okay. I'm gonna go. I'm just gonna go break even here. This trade's not displacing nearly as well as what I think it should have, so fine with going break even here. We do have this low. We could see a resweep, but the delivery is slowing down. Would want to see more volume here, so break even to just protect capital because we're not moving as much as I would want. So I'm happy with this break even. It's a good trade, honestly. I think these equal lows is kind of holding it back, but you know, you take it. Okay. Yes, actually took that out. That scared the shit out of me. Yeah, we swept that. Oh, fuck. All right. It's not at all the reaction you'd want to see from there. Oh, God. This is weird. This might just go bearish now. Um, yeah, this would be last trade for me until maybe afternoon session. I'll hop back on and look. But this AM session's kind of slow right now. I mean, we are in an uptrend. That's kind of the best we got, but okay. Well, we're rallying a little bit. Still not really too confident with just how slow it is because buyers don't seem to be really too much in control. Like at any moment, this shit could just dump. Okay, that would have been the real break-even spot, which is 50% of this 4-hour wick. Equilibrium of this 4-hour wick. Still targeting all-time highs. Got a good little add-in on this fair value gap and retesting this 1 minute change of the state. Good add-in spot. Also just a good entry. Yeah. Okay. I feel like I'm playing this trade amazingly. Oh, and I was muted for like God knows how long. Whatever. Whatever. I don't know. This microphone just like mutes. I need to buy a better one. Gonna hit TP1 here, hopefully. Hopefully, just hit that little TP1. Let's make some money today. Let's make some money. Just do it. Went a little bit lighter size today, just because of these equal lows. But what I've seen the market doing recently with all-time highs is liquidity on the downside. They don't care about it as much because they just want to buy. So equal lows. Normally, if say we were in a range months ago, like where price wasn't just booming, what I'm saying, like normal price action, we had equal lows, then that's different. But since we are all-time highs, equal lows, like yeah, say for example, if we're trading in this range and we have equal lows, I'm not going to long against it. But since we are trading at this insanely bullish all-time highs, I will trade against it, just lower the risk. Okay, let's just display this through TP1. TP1. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Take profit one. Don't want to speak this too early, but if this hits in the past 2 days of streaming, I would be 3-0 on live for free in the past 2 days. Come on, yo, what the fuck? TP1 hit, bada bing, bada. Come on. Sell stop when you make this three. Actually, no. We need to get rid of this. Cool. Sell stop three. Cool. Just making sure I don't have any extra orders. Nice. TP1 smash. W's in the chat, everyone. Everyone. Huge W's in the chat. I know. Hello, viewers. TP1. Going for TP2. That was a great add in there. That kind of just gave me a free TP1. Um, honestly, I'm gonna trail remainings to this right here. That's fine with me. Great trade, great management. Played this out real well. This. God, it is snowing, my boy. I'm supposed to go to the gym and everyone's gonna be crashing into me. Oh. Hello, bro. What is going on? Oh, how long you been here? I'm in this trade for a while now. Entered. Actually, we'll see. Took some longs on ES. I took them based off of a retest on this change in the state. Took an entry right here, and then I re-entered on this fair value gap as we had this SMT targeting all-time highs, and took a partial right here. So that's where I'm at. About to hit TP 2, final TP at all-time highs, but yeah. It's my second day live streaming. Did two in a row. And this is so far 3-0. No, that's not true. I'm three, one break even, and no losses on the live stream. So pretty much what I'm saying is you should subscribe for the free sauce. But yeah, with that, MES has a huge SMT now. We might edge all-time highs here. This is a huge, 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 huge. Yeah, I'm fine with break even at it. Yeah, this is fine. Let's just finish it. Let's just do it. Let's just do it. Went a little lighter risk on this trade just because we have these equal lows down here. But I was probably talking to myself earlier, but what I was saying is that all-time high, equal lows. Obviously, always will be a strong draw on liquidity, but with all-time high buying pressure, sometimes they won't resweep this. If we're not at all-time highs and we're in a normal range like we were a few months ago, like back here-ish or back here-ish, and there's equal lows, then yeah, I would wait for a resweep. But what I've learned is all-time highs has they don't really care about all that sweeping and stuff. They kind of just want to buy. But I guess I need to take a video of this. I guess I need to take a video of this. Come on. Just do it. Just do it. I might take out here. Yeah, I'm gonna close here. I'm fine with this. Right here. Bang. That's a winning trade. I'll take that right there. Bada bing, bada boom. I don't know. I had a weird feeling that we were gonna edge this, and that this amount of profit wasn't worth it. So I think that was it. We take this trade right here. I mean, come on. Come on. Why am I not famous yet? Someone tell me. Someone tell me. I need to do this every day. I need to do this every day. I'm gonna make a video. Yo, everyone spam W's in the chat. Oh yeah. Nice, dude. Yeah. Oh yeah. Alright, well, that was fire. Anyone's watching, that's the end of the stream. That's how you day trade. Fuck you guys. Bang. Guess we did take out all-time highs. It's a winning trade. That's a winning trade right there. Come on. Come on. I'll see you guys later. Bye.